Hey guys, just want to hop on here right quick just to share with you all the importance of doing good business when you're investing in mobile homes, right? I think I shared a post a couple of days in the YouTube community. If you hadn't seen it, go and check it out, where I shared how this guy who we helped move his home a few years ago, how we did right by him, and he shared our information with his family, with his sister, and she had a double wide that she needed to get rid of. So he shared our number with her. She reached out to us. And it's another one of those deals, guys, where we got the home for free. So when you do good business, your name, people will refer you, right? So that's why I always talk about how you have to be a problem solver. Many times, and most times, you will be the only person that can help that mobile home owner with their issue. There aren't many, if any, mobile home investors out there in your local area, regardless of where you are. Many investors, they only want to deal with traditional stick-built homes, and few people want to tackle these mobile homes. But guys, this is a 24, I think by 60 mobile home. I don't know how many square footage that is, but I mean, I'm sure it's probably it's definitely over 1,500. So got it for free, guys. And I mean, you could do multiple things, rent it out, flip it, wholesale it, whatever you want to do. But we didn't have to do any more extra marketing. And that's why it's important that you do good business, word of mouth, right? That's better than marketing. That's a referral from someone you trust, and the people will trust you, right? Their family member or whoever they're referring you to, they will trust you because you've already done good business with this other person. So I just want to share with you guys, just to encourage you to keep doing good work, helping people. You got to look at it as you're helping people. You're being a transaction engineer. And again, I always encourage you all to be a resource for people, get in contact with the movers, get in contact with the parks. That way you know all of this information ahead of time. That way when you get deals like these, you'll know what you can do with it. Get in contact with wholesalers, get in contact with other mobile home investors. That way when you run across these type of deals, you'll have an exit plan. Because if you don't know if someone gives you a free home and you don't know what to do with it, that home is pretty much worthless to you. So you have to know what you're going to do with the home when you get it. So just want to hop on here real quick, and I'm sure I'll share some pictures of the double wide on the screen as I'm talking. But it's a nice home, guys, and it'll make a nice home for the new family. All right, guys, keep investing. Talk to you soon.